But there is a better time as far as winter is concerned, and you were hoping for relief living in the northern part of the country. Sadly, there won't be any. The severe cold wave will persist in the region at least until December 26th. The Met Department has issued an alert for the same, but we're given to understand Himachal Pradesh and Kashmir will be the worst affected as well. But schools in Delhi, UP, Haryana, Odisha, Telangana will be closed given the cold wave. Kritika Tiwari, my colleague, joins me for more as far as this is concerned. Kritika, very good morning to you. Is it an absolutely chilly morning? That's what you're going to put into perspective for us. But having said that, there's going to be no respite.
In fact, this morning, the minimum temperature that was recorded at the Safdarjung Observatory, which is the average for the national capital, was at 7.5 degrees. This is just half a degree below the normal minimum for the region in this time. So we are expecting minimum temperatures in Delhi to only dip in the next 5 to 7 days when a fresh western disturbance is likely to hit the region. However, other parts of northern India where sub-zero and near-zero temperatures have been recorded remain Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh regions. In Himachal, temperatures of minus 1.5 degrees was also recorded near the Spiti Valley. And in Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, the Delhi, this belt is where the minimum temperatures have largely ranged between 3 to 6 Delhis. Now in the national capital as well, the dense to very dense fog alert had been downgraded, in fact, to shallow smog conditions for the next 2 days, beyond which we are seeing mainly clear sky conditions. So it is only after 26th of December that we will expect a bigger dip in the minimum temperature. The maximum also remains near normal. It is a degree above normal at 23 degrees Celsius, and the wind speeds are also now up to 8 kilometers per hour. Definitely one aspect of the cold wave is also felt on the deteriorating air in not just Delhi but in the neighbouring cities as well, where for Delhi for the 4th consecutive day the AQI remains in the severe category and the grab for regulations as a result of it also continue to be enforced in the national capital. But as far as the cold wave is also concerned, we are only seeing major effects of it right now to begin from 26th of December when a fresh cold wave is expected. Over to you.
Right. Thank you very much for joining us this morning and helping us draw perspective as to what that's looking like and what potentially it will be looking going forward. But for the moment, we leave it at that. Let's shift our focus now to